If you are a delivery driver, that includes Uber, Waiter, DoorDash, even if you drove and delivered groceries for Instacart, Walmart, Costco, any of those guys, that made you self-employed. You were your own boss. You're going to receive a 1099 from that company. And when you get ready and file your taxes, you need to include your cell phone. Your cell phone is your business. Your cell phone took orders. Your cell phone, you was able to track expenses. You email from your cell phone. You order from your cell phone. Your cell phone is a primary part of your business. So you want to make sure that you have your cell phone records, your cell phone bills. You want to make sure that if you had any repairs during the year for your cell phone, that you kept those receipts. You want to make sure that you have your gas receipts. You want to make sure that you kept track of your car insurance, your vehicle insurance that you paid monthly. All of that is a tax write-off for your delivery business. And in case you didn't know, I'm giving you the tax tips that you need, telling you what you're going to need to take to your tax preparer. You're going to need those items because that's going to save you money. Even if you had another job and you're going to get a W-2 with that, still with your delivery business, it will help reduce your taxes and you'll end up getting a better refund. So definitely file that part-time business. Whether it was your primary business or just something you was doing on the side to earn a little extra money, make sure you file it because you're going to get a 1099 regardless, and you got to file it. So just make sure you go ahead and start getting those things together. I'll list them so that you'll know, so that you'll remember. And just remember that any other expenses that you incurred can be deducted. If your tires went out, if you had to replace tires or get any work done to your vehicle, you can also use that as a tax write-off because your vehicle, along with the cell phone, that was your primary business. That was what you needed to get that business done. So you can use that. You can even use your oil changes in the year. That can be a tax write-off. Not only if you don't even have a delivery business, that's a tax write-off. If you are a stylist or barber or braidist or a wigologist, if you are in any of those professions, save your receipts. I'm a tax preparer, and every year I get people call me, hey, send me the list so I can know what I can save. And so here I am telling you, you can save if you have your receipts. Keep the receipts on whatever you spend to make your business go. If you have to go out and buy shampoo for that client's hair, that's an expense because you have to have that shampoo to shampoo their hair. If you do yards and you had to get gas for your lawnmowers, those receipts, keep the receipts. If your lawnmower went out, bam, that receipt, that's an expense. Any expenses that you incurred, that can be a write-off. Also, if you have your business at your home, if your business is at home and you're conducting it there, you can write off the utilities, the water. You can write off that landline phone. You can write off the rent that you pay at that dwelling. Half of that can be deducted for your taxes. That's a tax write-off. Home expenses, that is a tax write-off. The space that you use at home, the space that you use. So guys, get busy because tax season, IRS officially opens January 27th. But if you want to get an advance right now, that's open right now. Monday, you can start getting an advance. Some companies have already started because they have their own tax bank or whatever. And so they've already started. But primarily, if you need to get an advance on your taxes right now, you can. Starting next week on Monday, you can get an advance. You don't have to wait on IRS. You can get an advance to hold you over until your taxes come completely through. You can get an advance toward the refund that you get back. Also, if you are buying a home, your home mortgage interest statement should be coming soon if it haven't already. Take that to your tax preparer. A lot of people forget that statement. Any statements you get, whether it's from the bank, interest statements, whether it's from a 401k where you pull down or draw out some of your money, keep those statements. 1099s, all of that should be arriving in your mailbox between now and in the next couple of weeks. Keep it. Also, you're going to get most taxpayers are going to get two very important forms. You're going to get a form for the stimulus that you claimed, and you're going to get a form for any advanced child tax credit that you received. Keep those papers handy because your tax preparer will need them. They're going to need them. Go to your tax preparer organized. Have all of your paperwork in order. If you have to put it in a folder and collect it over the next couple of weeks until you go, keep it all together. That makes things go smoother. We're in a pandemic. Wear your mask. Wear your mask. Once you're going in and out of the office, wear your mask. And stay safe out there. Stay safe, y'all. That's all we need to do is just get through. Get done with 2021. It'll be behind us. And let's prosper on into 2022. Because I want to see you all. I want to see us all make it over. Let's make it over together safely. Or whatever that other one is, Delta variant, all of this stuff is out here. And we want to act like it's just like the flu, but it is taking people out of here. It is. And we want to stay safe. And it's so tempting to throw a party, and it's tempting to throw a baby shower. Do it safely. Only invite a few people if you just got to do it. And then ask them to wear that mask. Say, y'all, we're going to be in closed quarters together. It's small in here. Let's all just let's have fun, wear our masks. But if you think you may offend someone, just don't have the party. Have a drive-by. Have a drive-by baby shower. Hey, this is a new thing. This is a new age. Let's get through it together. Let's stay safe. Some of everything. But anyway, if this video was helpful, if anything that I said was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it if you don't mind. Share it with someone that it may benefit. And I thank you and I love you all. But remember, God loves you first. Stay safe.